And we're back.
Okay, so we discovered that because only one person has to push each button, as you'll see from a blooper clip, um, I'm going to start scaling down the side of the wall right here, and he's going to go to the end and hit the button at the start of the parkour and the one partway through, and then I'm just going to skip most of the parkour and push the button at the very end. So, yeah, wish me luck. I still have to do 2 fairly difficult jumps. And I have to live this fall. Okay.
I just failed epically at parkour.
Did you die?
No.
Okay. Just make it to the buttons.
I guess because bandages are... Okay, whatever. Should I drink my...
I did the parkour.
Okay, I just got no cheated. Didn't die though.
Okay, just tell me if you died. Don't keep me in suspense. Don't be like, oh, I just got no cheated. Just don't, please. Please. Panicking, please.
Okay, maybe that will save my skin. Maybe not. Made it. Pressing button. Pressing button. You ready? Are you screen sharing?
I'll start now.
Alright, you ready for me to press the button?
Yes.
Button pressed. Alright, now we're going to Daniel's perspective because I'm not even going to be able to make it there.
Let me know when you can see.
I can see, but it's very laggy. So, I mean, just
good enough.
Like, okay, I can't...
I don't know how synced up it's going to be. I just pushed the button, then I jump to here, I jump to here, and I walk through this cave.
Okay, so it is now impossible for me to make it.
Pretty much, yeah.
So I should just, log out here.
Okay, what is this?
It's gonna be like dispensers.
Well, oh, boy. So, don't hit them?
Correct.
Okay. I guess that's easy enough. Let me swap on my pathetic Dura iron. Oh boy.
I believe in you, Daniel.
I haven't hit any plates yet, so apologies to people who are watching the video who want to know what the plates do. Hopefully, we will, both of us, both you and me in the dungeon right now, will not have to find out. Watch, they're like the loot dispensers. Dang, this dungeon has a lot of loot. Okay, so I guess I have to step on this one. Okay. Up. Up.
Yeah. Well.
Okay.
GG.
Okay.
Whoa.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
What?
So I feel like this was supposed to drop a legendary, but didn't.
Legendary loot pools.
Okay, and I'll see what I can get for you. Is that all the iron we got? Okay.
Maybe it detects the chests. I don't know.
Okay, there's That's your armor. You're gonna get that.
I'm just trying to think of all possible bugs in the system. Why wouldn't it have dropped the legendary?
A legendary. Maybe the legendary's not done yet. They haven't made one.
Well then...
That's Smite 5, though.
So that wasn't that hard at all.
Past the parkour, with like 3 and 4 block jumps, yeah.
So if you have 2 people, this is like easy peasy. Well, now that people know what they're doing.
They're, there's a person.
Where?
Do you not see on my screen share?
I didn't see it.
1 second. Where does this put me? Right? Da. Okay. So how do you get out? Log out.
I already did log out.
Okay, log back in.
Alright.
And it should put you right outside.
I don't know. Shrek'd. Getting Shrek'd.
Okay. So, here, take this. Take all that. And, would you like to try again?
Right now?
Yeah? See if it bugged out. We didn't get a legendary that time.
Well, I don't have a speed pot this time. There's a spawner right here, I'm going to assume.
Yeah, it's under this.
Alright, well, I think the video stops here. We'll keep you updated if anything else happens. If we try again and get the legendary. So, bye-bye.